I'll give him some messages.
Yeah,
It was
hey.
a faint pink when I got it. And the swing was black and brown and bashed in, and this gentleman bought it. Took him 3 years to get it the rich color pink that it is now. And it's just phenomenal. I think the car never looked this good even when it was new. It's in his name now.
Yeah, we got Mark. It's his car, and go ahead, introduce yourself.
Oh, you're interviewing me now?
Yeah, we're going. We're rolling.
Okay, well,
We'll cut it out.
my name is Victoria Vetri. I used to be Angela Dorian, but I went back to my real name.
Okay.
So the car's name is now Angela.
Angela.
Yeah, Angela, just Angela. And I've done a lot of acting, and I'm not a ham, but I am Italian, so I'm a prosciutto. But I still want to be a comedian when I keep growing up. I do love this car, though.
Yeah.
And it has just made me feel like a human being again. It was a faint pink, and it was bashed in at one point. It was, when the gentleman got it, it was, I think, the brown or the black.
Hey, Mark.
It's just unbelievable. I mean, I could just show you a picture, too, of the look.
When you were given this car back in the day, there, I bet you were probably
1968.
pretty jazzed, huh?
Yeah, and I was doing movies, Rosemary's Baby, When Dinosaurs Ruled the Earth, all that kind of stuff. A lot of TV shows. I still get residuals. And I want to go back to be an actress again.
Okay.
And I'm a ham, you know. I just can't control myself. I still like to do things like this, you know.
Wow, so pretty limber, yeah.
Yeah,
Well, you can do stand-up right here in Vegas, right?
yeah, I'm not a spring chicken. I just had a birthday, and I think I'm in my 70s now, 74. But
Wow, who knew? It's a new 44, right? Huh?
very well put.
Cool. All right, let's take a closer look at this, Victoria.
Sure.
Yeah, done in pink. It's a 290 cubic inch V8. I had one of them, and I had a 68 Rambler Rogue, but not a AMX. Look at that. Red line tires, style steel wheels. Beautiful. Look at that. American Motors AMX Pink Playmate two-door coupe. California black plate. All right, Mark, how long have you had it now?
Bought the car in 2010,
Yeah,
so I've had the car 9 years.
9 years. And you've put it through its paces to make it look like showroom condition again.
Right after I bought it in 2010, put it in more or less into storage at a local airport in a hangar for 2 years while I helped replenish my savings account and to plot the strategy to restore the car. And then finally, 2012, we took the car out of service for 3 years, took every nut and bolt off that car.
Wow.
Finally, 2015, it was ready to roll again. And right away, it was, I don't know how Jay Leno heard about it. He was on an episode of Jay Leno's Garage. And from there, it's been to car shows in Cleveland, Chicago, Santa Fe, New Mexico, Vegas, of course. So this show, it's been all over.
Yeah, it's not the first I've seen it. Yeah, you've had it around Southern California also. Yeah, very, very nice car, nice history to it, and you got the only Playmate car I've ever put my eyes on. How about that?
One too.
Yeah. Well, cool. That is Mark and Victoria, and this is the AMX, and we're here in Las Vegas. Concourse, the first ever, live on DanoVision. Thanks, Mark.